You don't even need a power tool. Think about it. Our dowel press opens limitless design and creative possibilities with exposed dowel joinery. Alternately, you can conveniently make regular hardwood dowels from scraps right in your shop. With the dowel press, you'll never run out of dowels in the middle of a project. Whether you need beefy dowels for stout furniture joints or small ones for more delicate applications, the dowel press has you covered. With Woodpecker's dowel press, there's no muss, no fuss, just perfect size dowels. That's because the dowel press comes with 16 precision machined dies. These dies are made from A2 steel that's heat treated to a Rockwell hardness of 60 C. The heavy cutting edge is machined at a 90-degree angle and will provide long-lasting, high performance. Let's say you want a half-inch finished dowel. You insert the first die, the 550 die, in the headstock. It just slips into place and is always perfectly centered. Place the dowel blank in the self-centering tailstock and tighten the blank between the headstock and the tailstock. Now press the blank through the die, cranking the handle. On the first pass, the blank square corners are sheared off. Next, insert the 510 die and press the blank again. Now you make a finish quality cut using the 500 die. Since you're only taking a 10,000th of an inch cut, a smooth dowel is produced. That is, unless you wanted a fluted dowel. In that case, you'd insert the 500 die with machined flute cutters. These same 3 simple steps apply to whatever dowel size you make. Woodpecker's dowel press comes with all 16 interchangeable dies in imperial sizes, laser engraved with decimal sizes, and includes finished size dies for smooth. If you're looking to take your dowel joinery to the next level, or you're a DIY type of guy, Woodpecker's dowel press will open limitless design and creative possibilities using exotic wood species with exposed dowel joinery to make your next woodworking project extraordinary.
Introducing the new Armor Auto Jig, making pocket hole joining easy and accessible to everyone. Armor's revolutionary automatic design takes the guesswork out of pocket holes, using a one-step system based on the thickness of your workpiece. Simply place your workpiece in the jig, clamp, and close. This will automatically adjust the drill block to an accurate height setting, allowing the perfect placement for your pocket hole drill. You might not have noticed, but while you were clamping your workpiece, the auto adjust jig was simultaneously setting the drill bit collar to the correct depth to match your drill guide height. Simply remove the attached Allen wrench, tighten the collar, insert, and drill. Easy, efficient, and accurate. Every jig features Armor's patented auto adjust clamping technology, allowing you to set and maintain clamping pressure when working with materials of different thickness. The jig even includes a dust collection port to keep your workstation clean and clear. Our goal is to create for the creators.
The new D300 Damstom panel clamp transforms completely the way you glue wood panels. Its 2 straight steel bars ensure that panels are flat every time, quickly and easily. To make wood panels with the Damstom clamps, start by putting the bottom bars on 2 pieces of wood. Then adjust the height of the clamp so it's centered in the thickness of the panel. The Damstom clamp is designed to work with thicknesses from 3/4 of an inch up to 4.5 inches. Lay your wood pieces so you can apply glue on their edges. Put the pieces in place for the last step, clamping. Now, put the second bar on top, apply downward pressure and tighten the knob to lock it in place. Drop the locking pin to match the panel width. Then tighten the hand screws to make perfectly flat panels every time. Since each Damstom clamp prevents panels from popping up, you can space them between 12 to 18 inches apart, much more than conventional clamps. You will need less clamps, and since they weigh just 4.6 pounds, you can move the panels out of the way easily. No cleaning problem either. With its electrostatic paint finish, glue won't stain the wood, and you can even peel it off with your fingernail. Simplify your wood panel glue-ups with the new Damstom panel clamp.